Let me tell you first about this character, how this character was actually made. When I met Archit and Colin, this character was absolutely different. Her dressing style and everything was very, very different. So when we met Archit and we started doing our trials for our clothes, they were trying to understand the character, what is she going to wear, how she's going to look. So I started wearing westerns, of course. I started wearing jeans, leather bands, skirts, all kind of clothes. And then Archit said, "Ma'am, what if we give you a sari?" ऐसे साड़ी दोगे आप तो मैं वही लगूंगी जो इतने सालों से लगती आ रही हूँ. Then there's no change in the character. तो इन्होंने कहा कि साड़ी लोगों को लगता है कि जो औरत पहनती है वो बहुत कमज़ोर होगी या फिर शाय होगी, और जो स्कर्ट पहनती है वो बोल्ड होंगी. But we are going to change that concept and we're going to make you a normal cotton sarees, and when you come on the screen, पूरे शो में तुमसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग ही कोई नहीं लगेगा. And that's what he's made me do. When I wore that sari, I've worn sari all my life, you all know about it. But when Leila wears sari and she holds that cigarette and when she comes on the screen, you get scared of her. So, and I never thought I'll be able to do something like this. I'll be able to abuse and use bad words the way Leila's doing in the show. It was a discovery. They had that faith. I don't know how they ever thought when they said आपको ये करना है. मैंने सोचा कैसे, मेरे बारे में कैसे सोचा, कैसे लगा कि मैं कर सकती हूँ. It was impossible. मैंने खुद सोच के पढ़ा तो मैंने कहा ये मैं कैसे कर सकती हूँ. But they said आप ही कर सकती हैं. And of course जब कोई गंदी गालियाँ देनी आती थी, I used to get very upset and scared. She would hold my hand, कहती यही गाली जोर से बोलो, इसको बोलो, उसको बोलो, उसको बोलो. And Tamanna kept making me, वो fear निकालना जो था, every time I would say something and then he would make me repeat. It was Archit. Because of Archit and Tamanna, I was able to do this character. I have to tell you this.
Amazing.
So they were a great support.
Thank you, Shwetaji. That was beautiful. Thank you for that question. Let's move on to our next question.
Hello. First of all, congratulations to the team. The trailer looks amazing. And my question is to Sufi. Hi, Sufi. So, first of all, congratulations for your debut.
Thank you.
And I want to know, how was your first day on the set?
My first day on set actually was very anxiety driven. I was very anxious because I never really knew that I wanted to be an actor. I never knew like how anything goes. So I was just worried if I was even gonna like be able to do what I signed up for. But I mean, with both of my directors, I think I'm blessed that I had the most nicest, kindest directors, and they just let me go off and riff off and say whatever I had crazy in my mind for Firdaus. So I just got to have fun. I had lots of fun on my first day with both of these divas as well, because all my scenes are with her. I sadly don't have any scenes with Neeraj sir, Shweta ma'am, which I am going to request for in season 2. But my first day was iconic. 10 out of 10 if you ask me.
Thank you, Sufi, and thank you for that question. Our next question, please.
Hi, Javed sir. My question is to you from Samina here from Zoom channel. What do you have to say playing such a pivotal role, and at the same time, there is a mixture of different people with different characteristics. What do you have to say about that?
So, the first thing, once I went through the whole script, so I'm the only one in this series playing a double role, in a way, because I play two different characters because of these girls. और इनकी जो जोड़ी है, ऐसी जोड़ी तो foster करने से भी नहीं आएगी. चलो ठीक है. Anyway, they are used to my. So वो पिज़्ज़ा वाला मैं ट्राई करूँगा मैं. ये जो तुमने कहा था ना कि पिज़्ज़ा खाते हुए जो इमोशंस आते हैं, नेक्स्ट टाइम आई हैव अ पिज़्ज़ा आई ट्राई टू लुक इनटू द इमोशनल फैक्टर ऑफ कि ये पिज़्ज़ा में इमोशंस कैसे आते हैं. वो था अलग टॉपिंग मांगते हो तो यू हैव इमोशनल टॉपिंग ऑल्सो, कुछ पता नहीं. सॉरी अबाउट दैट, आई जस्ट डाइवर्ट. सो फॉर मी दिस द वे इट वाज रिटन, जिस तरह से इस कैरेक्टर को डेवलप किया, उसमें एक इमोशनल एक ग्राफ है जहाँ से वो आया है, उसका बैकग्राउंड, उसकी एक ट्रेजेडी एक ज़िंदगी में हुई है किसकी वजह से, और किस मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग से ये समझते हैं कि मैं ये कर पाऊँगा. इट्स एक्चुअली बहुत फनी भी है और बहुत एक तरह से एक ट्रैजिक भी है. सो फॉर मी एज एन एक्टर इट वाज अमेजिंग. एंड जैसे कि बहुत सब कुछ कह दिया तमन्ना जी ने, तो उसको मैं रिपीट नहीं करूँगा. बट अर्चित, द वे ही डेवलप द स्क्रिप्ट एंड वर्किंग विद बोथ ऑफ देम, ये दो अलग किस्म के डायरेक्टर हैं, लेकिन इतने अच्छे, मतलब दे मर्ज टुगेदर सो वेल. एक ये जो हार्मनी हुई इनकी, बिकॉज कॉलिन इज दिस ग्रेट फन एंड ही इज द क्वाइटर काइंड ऑफ गाय हु थिंग्स. So, but the way they've divided the scenes and how they've executed it, it's been an amazing journey for me as an actor, and बहुत मजा आया. और सारे actors, especially तमन्ना, डायना, congratulations, सूफी, congratulations, debuts, and नीरज भाई के साथ मेरा एक, मतलब मेरी जिंदगी का एक, मैं कभी नहीं भूलूंगा वो एक सीक्वेंस है, वो आप लोग जब सीरीज देखोगे तो this was how when we get involved as actors into characters and we can't say cut because it's continuing, and it was a very emotional moment. मेरे life का, I have never had this kind of interaction with an actor, and total Neeraj bhai, this is my third series with him. Brilliant, amazing actor, so much to learn, and it's so good working with the team.
Thank you.
And श्वेता के साथ भी जिस तरह से हमारा एक relationship है वो बहुत ही unusual और मजेदार है, and so it was fantastic working, brilliant, I loved it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Samina, for that question. Can we move on to our
Hi,
next?
this is Shweta from IW and Buzz here this side.
At the back?
Yeah, back.
There. Thank you.
सर नीरज सर, मैं आपके लिए एक क्वेश्चन है.
Yeah.
हमने हमेशा आपको एक इंटेंस कैरेक्टर सबसे ज़्यादा प्ले करते हुए देखा है. इस बार काफ़ी जॉली कैरेक्टर है. वी लव योर डांसिंग पार्ट ऑल्सो इन ट्रेलर. कितना मज़ा आया आपको ये कैरेक्टर प्ले करने के लिए, अपार्ट फ्रॉम प्लेइंग अ इंटेंस ऑलवेज?
अरे बहुत मजा आया. I have never ever imagined that I would do it personally myself, and I think it's also the credit to both the directors more than anything else, because when I used to think of an idea or a way of performing the character, they were never putting in their ideologies or their thought process into what I should do or what I should not do. That space was so beautifully given to me, and what you see me doing right now is something I could not even imagine personally myself. Doing it in front of a camera. I've done this in theatre many years ago when I used to do theatre. तब मैं करता था, just to get audience applause. That's what I used to do. But now this, I was not prepared to do this in front of a camera where I knew that the entire world is going to watch this. But it just opened up because of the two directors. Both of them, I did scenes with both of them. And every time I did this, I thought of ideas that would come. They were quirky, they were crazy. But in real life also, I'm a lot like that as a human being. I'm not as serious as you see me doing my roles. I'm not that kind of a person at all. It's only in my performances. So ये बड़ा मजा है मुझे करते हुए, और जो मैं देख भी रहा हूँ बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे देखते हुए. I hope you like it, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Narinder Bhutani here. Tamanna, hi Tamanna. First of all,
Hi,
ओए, क्या हो रहा है? ओए.
Hi.
hi.
इसका expression, y'all didn't see it.
Yes.
Look at this.
We saw,
Then you
yeah.
have his expression. Tamanna, hi Tamanna.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. And Tamanna, for you it is. जो फीमेल ड्रिवन स्टोरी टेलिंग होती है वो किस तरह से अलग होती है. बीच में मैं रोक के निखिल सर आपको कंग्रेचुलेट करना चाहूँगा सर. मतलब फीमेल ड्रिवन स्टोरीज आई थिंक आनी चाहिए. आई रिमेंबर 4 More Shots प्लीज मेरा फेवरेट शो था, एंड आई वाज टॉकिंग टू कीर्ति कुल्हारी एंड शी वाज लाइक कि जो लड़के थे वो अफ्रेड होते थे वो शो देखने के लिए, बट मैंने उनको मैंने इंटरव्यू के अंदर बोला था कि नहीं, आई लव दैट शो एंड आई एम प्राउड ऑफ इट कि हाँ वो एक शो बना, उसके 4 सीजन्स आए, अब ये शो की शुरुआत हो रही है. ओवर टू यू अगेन मैम. सो ये किस तरह से अलग बनाता है एंड आपका कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था इसके अंदर? फीमेल ड्रिवन स्टोरीज कैसे अलग होती है? इनफैक्ट वो बहुत मोर पावरफुल होती है. मैं उसके अंदर ऐड करना चाहूँगा, सॉरी.
I think you know what, she got it. I think
Yeah.
she needs
I just want to say that normally कहा जाता है कि एक सक्सेसफुल आदमी के पीछे एक औरत होती है, वैसे ही एक सक्सेसफुल औरत के पीछे there are lots of strong men supporting, and in our case it's been the wonderful pillars of Prime Video, Dharmatic, Archit, Colin and the entire cast and crew. And मैं सच में बोल रही हूँ, मेरे अपने लाइफ में मैं आपको एक बात बता सकती हूँ कि मेरे पिताजी एक्चुअली मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा सपोर्ट सिस्टम रहे हैं. और आज मैं आपके सामने एक बहुत ही प्यारे जर्नलिस्ट ने मुझसे कहा कि आप इतने अलग अलग किरदार निभाती हैं. यू नो वंस आई एम डूइंग अ Tamil film, I'm doing a Telugu film, I'm doing a song, then I'm doing a show. How am I able to do all that? I have so much support at home from my father, from my brother, and such wonderful men in my life. And इसीलिए जब लोग शायद हमें पर्दे पर देखते हैं या किसी इंटरव्यू में देखते हैं, मैं कहना चाहूँगी उन सब मर्दों से, अपने घर में जो आपकी औरतें हैं उन्हें सपोर्ट कीजिए. You want to be there for them, to see them flower, and I am in front of you the proof of that, and that's the truth. I've had wonderful men in my life who've been the support system, and I'm here because of that. औरतें खुद बहुत पावरफुल हैं, लेकिन वो कभी-कभी you really need a reflection. You need to see how you are powerful, and sometimes it's wonderful men in your life that make you see that. So that's the truth.
वाओ, हमें नया डायलॉग मिल गया है, हम यूज कर पाएंगे सर, राइट? थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Our next question.
Hi, you're in center.
Alice is on
Hi.
our right at the back.
Hi, this is Alice Karapeter from Amarasi. My question's for Dinah. The trailer looks amazing, by the way, all of you guys. Dinah, this is something that you've not really done before, right? And it's so different. But I want to know from you, how challenging was it to play this character?
Something I've not done before, yes, because I've never done a long format before, but also character-wise. So she was not the demure girl that I've played before. She's not the boisterous girl that I've played before. But I think that she was the most real person that I've played so far. I think that's what when Archit and I sat down to discuss this character, and I wanted to know what he had in mind about her. I think that was one of the main points that came to mind, is that we need to make this show as real as possible, and every character has to be as real as possible. And I think that's one of the most special parts about this show, is that each character has been cast so perfectly to fit the part. And so yeah, we took a lot from my own experiences in life, from, I'm sure, Archit and Colin's experiences in life as well. You know, there have been many situations in the show when you watch them which have actually happened to a lot of us, which again makes it so real, relatable and believable. But that was always our end goal, for it to just for an audience to be able to relate. And the best way to relate is if it's something that's happened to you, or if it's a kind of friendship that you've had before, or you know, even if people are just people. Sometimes you don't have to say much. You don't have to have like lines and lines and lines of dialogues. You can just be in a scene, and it can be extremely powerful. In fact, those are the more powerful scenes when there's silences. So I think that's what we aimed to do and hopefully have done. But it was challenging because of the fact that, you know, it's a lot of work. But it's also so much more satisfying creatively, because you get so much more to play with, and you know, to get into the depth of characters, which yes, of course you get to do in films, but I feel not as much and not as often. Yes, of course, because this was a female, a female-led show. Not really, actually, it was a complete ensemble-led show, but because the two girls had a lot to do, and it was about the business that they get into together. We were actually in a lot of scenes, and in those 50 days, I think we worked pretty much all of, 45 of them at least. So challenging from that point of view, but also extremely, extremely satisfying. So just made the challenges so much worth it.